Hey, I'm Lynn, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video to B.A.P. Rain Sound. B.A.P is one of the best rookies from in 2012, and I love all their songs, especially No Mercy. No Mercy was one of my favorite songs in 2012. The song was pretty good, and I think that the boys are very, very talented, especially Dahyun. His voice is like, ooh, so good. I'm expecting a lot because I don't know. I expect some cool rapping because my music is my bias. I love when he does figure, but I don't want that this song to be like cute and I want it to be tough and manly because I don't know. I've had enough with Stop It. But yeah. Um yeah, so I'm pretty excited for this video. This really literally just came out, so let's go. Okay, where is the green paint? Oh, yellow. I can't scream because everybody's sleeping. Stop looking me that way. So sexy. Yes, me. Jungkook is so sexy. He looks like so experienced, right? Oh, what is he doing? That's her. So many things happening. Jungkook. His voice is so. Oh, don't cry, baby. Dahyun. Listen to his voice. Oh my god. Don't try to cry. Okay, why the blood is green? That's weird. Why are they burning a mannequin? Did we saw the movie? Oh, yellow. Oh my god. That hair fits him perfectly. And no, I don't feel like a peronora because he's my age. Mommy. The song is really good. Okay, why are they trying mannequins? How the ambulance get there? The ambulance is like a big, well, it's paper. Everything is possible. Oh! I want to spin like that too. Okay, so they are the rain is blood. So someone died. Okay. I don't get it. It's frustrating. Okay, when you shoot people, you are doing like this. Yeah, shallow. Even when you're dying, you look sexy. Don't cry. I hate when boys cry. How do I feel? I have mixed emotions. I don't know. I like the song. Oh, I just cheer up. I like the song, But I didn't get the video. I mean, they are breaking a mannequin, and the mannequin is in a hospital, and the hospital has an ambulance. I mean, fast service. I don't know, but um, then the blood is green. I mean, is the mannequin a Grinch or something? I don't know. Then they are throwing uh, green water. I mean, they are taking too seriously their fandom. I mean, green. But the song is good. The rap is good as always. I expected to be a good rap, and it was a good rap. Then they him with his powerful high notes. That was really good. The sad part is that I don't see them crying. I don't like seeing them crying, even though it's acting. I don't know. I feel something in my heart when I saw him down with a tear like here. I don't know. That was creepy. Um, but it was good. I mean, they look hell sexy, and the costumes are really good. And that was a pretty good video. I liked it. If I have to rank it in 1 to 5, I will give it a 4. It was good. I mean, TS is doing really good with their artists. I mean, Poison was good. Talk That was good. I'm talking about Secret. And the past B.A.P videos were like really good quality. I mean, if they continue like this, they're going to be as good as SM or YG or JLP and Cube. They're doing great, and I love the fact that they only have like a small amount of trainees, just because they all can debut sometime, and if they don't get to debut, they can blame the company. So that was it. I know it was lame, but it's because I don't get the video. But yeah, so I'm close to 300 subscribers, and I'm really happy. Thank you so much for watching my videos and liking and commenting. Yeah, so thank you so much, and hope you're having a good day if you're watching this like in the morning or something. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye.